Hello again. Today I'm going to say a bit about my choice of which game engine to start with. It's Unity. It's the most popular and everyone's using it. It has the most tutorials, assets, add-ons, and is very popular with indie studios, especially 2D games. In short, it has the least amount of friction to get up that first hill. Unreal is very tempting, but it doesn't have enough batteries included, to steal a phrase from the Python language. After I've released a few games, and if I build a team to work with, I definitely consider it for future projects. As a veteran programmer, the temptation to build a game engine from scratch is definitely there. I could build a game engine from scratch. I'm sure of it. It would take about 5 years minimum to be about half as good as any commercial engine. Would I learn a ton and not have to worry about other people's tools and licenses? Absolutely. But I don't have 5 years to get my first half as good release out the door. I'm entirely too addicted to food. I don't know any modern game engines. I knew enough OpenGL to texture some cubes a long time ago. And as an aside, I wrote some server code and a basic auto patcher for this client. Anyhow, writing an auto patcher would have been a big deal in C++, but I ended up writing it about 20 lines of Python. It was really the first thing I wrote in Python, and it was super impressive to me how easy it was. I could easily have chosen PyGame or RenPy, since I've been working primarily in Python since about 2013. But no, honestly, the thought of trying to use Python for any large-scale project just makes my head want to explode. I'm going to be approaching my Unity learning as described by Thomas Brust in his video on how to start an indie game studio in 12 months, which is what I'm using as my framework here. And I'll go into more detail about how I'm learning Unity in another video. So, thank you for listening.